David, Sylvia's getting wet.
Oh, sorry, Sylvia, sorry. Bye-bye, Tony, bye.
See you later.
Oh, it's raining cats and dogs. Dogs and pussycats. Oh, look out.
It's raining cats and dogs. I said it's raining cats and dogs.
Yes, I heard you.
The funny thing was, at that very moment, the universe was working on something. A storm.
So, Tropical Storm Willie is going to be with us at least until Monday. It's going to rain cats and dogs, folks. So don't step in a poodle.
Do you want to come?
Is that all right? Just raining cats and dogs out there. I'd just as soon not go back in it.
I'm raining cats and dogs.
What?
Raining like a queen, but raining like the weather.
No.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Right.
It's a joke.
Not really.
What?
No, I'm saying like it's not really funny.
It's hilarious.
Wow, it's raining cats and dogs.
Raining cats? You open the skylight. I'll get the relish.
I'm sorry to bring you out in this weather, Detective, but the boy has been quite insistent. All right? See what he has to say so I can go home and get dry. It's raining cats, dogs, and Democrats out there, so it better be worth it.
Oh, wow! It's raining cats and dogs! Well, someone had to say it.